One thing ava Kenya saba ikire bona iga Moi was a politician. Uhuru Kibaki came, he had been in politics for quite a while, as a deputy president, as a minister, and all that. Then came Uhuru, who inherited the political patronage kurwa background unakinete. So then Ruto agaja Nehru mwanasiasa. Aba Kenya baisana kire na na pure politician. What they want is somebody who can manage the country's resources, an administrator, somebody who can bring about usura arete amatokeo as by the current constitution. Ba Kenya mbako issue na a constitution baisana getenga ikatiba nero ngora tokonye implement etoe amatunda alitokolete kitutagete. So onye no mwanasiasa they have had enough of politicians. So that's why to some extent Matiang'i darling to many, but I tikumanyanga ngokwa na ribuya kora mara bantu, that doesn't matter. But what they want is somebody who can put things in order, and the corruption aba Kenya kiro Montegi to deserve it or Kenya ole. The way he did with education, kilio deserve it na kiyokonyora. Onye go deserve it go sikwa go sesa kari okore 1 2 3, that's what they see Matiang'i cha okereta ase asubura ibwaje.
Bwana na nchenko kutaka kukuboli mheshimiwa, as you have clarified, we are now yearning for an administrator or you're a politician.
Yes.
But with the nature of our politics in this country, don't you think that you as an administrator, you need politics?
Yeah, you need politics, but you don't have to be.
Musikega rugwererie tekera kiwa soko respond chabo mentarnie kwende korunga ki abaraya bange bakenya baroka koba abana siasa kojaga Kenyatta gutirana abana siasa barenge bono musike Matiang'i ukire muna a technocrat monte administrator. Don't you think again ngegente kabono ngochikoba koleka effort go just a political class?
Not really. I think we need to change ingenje toko kore bintu nga wiko montabe eloquent ya sege Swahili go sege songo akora ma bande na ndi mwaseka obangaineke mu accept okoreke you get away with it.
Yes.
I think with the new leadership ya Matiang'i na bande I think they mbachigo chenjinga. You don't have to be so eloquent to be a leader. Yes. You can see the way Kibaki was. Kibaki was not a good public speaker. Tare koleta delegations boye ujiteria oteba totenga nginjiri bagotenga. He could just be there talk omara 1 week 2 weeks omara ne kan sonyo genda gosegento gete and so abantu misi amatuka ya Kibaki nga he was really a performer. He was not a very good politician, but he did some work. So no yo ito nere to some extent tumbere bamwegenete ba Peter Munya barabana siasa even komubwa batebirenga by all means. I think this guy can do better. You can't tell me Peter Munya tabwatenere ambition yokoba the president. Yes. He has been there, he's been a minister, he has been a party leader, he has been everything, a governor. He's ahead of Matiang'i, lakini usukire mayote birenga ekeronkuligereria Matiang'i oyo. I think he can make Kenya what it's not now. Again to create Kenya takiri chikoba so tigatumubwatsi so mentality eto batenga gwikoto ke no maeta ko sekia bantu ubeka bantu para bagoterere okole what I think we ought to get out of that. We are messing our country asukuyenanga omonto maeta ko kwana alia gwikotenge gwikokoleki
political history.
No. I think aba Kenya bona sebe ikire they want you montora nyaro create jobs montora rosti para tario monto every other day chi delegation yokorda obwate. You are wasting a lot of resources, you are moving everywhere chiga ministers when do kora nole akugore tap ya mache you are Prime Cabinet Secretary Uru kanenda ucho kugura tap ya 30,000 kuatumia 1 million kugura ndo ya 300,000. That's pure wastage. So Kenyans want somebody bara how to accounting chibese twakwete na kiatumegeke marioga ali gwatebete kwa abantu ngayali ebintu biri gwatebete ngayibire somebody who can deliver as by promises aruete ekarali kulichikura, and I believe that's why they feel Matiang'i makes that cut.